Hey, Sean, I like coffee, but I haven't liked iced coffee. I've just never found it enjoyable. It seems like it's watered down or it's too bitter. And then somebody said you should try Starbucks cold brew, and I did, and it was delicious. And I can't tell you what's different about it, but I like cold brew and I don't like iced coffee. And finally I was like, I think there's probably a way where I could just put water on some beans and come back later and have cold brew. And after a little bit of research, I found it. And so this has been my experience, and this is my method that I've done about 6 times now of making cold brew coffee with no custom equipment except for some filter bags. And it takes about 4 minutes of total active time. So get yourself a bag of ground coffee. I know that some people will say you have to grind it to just the right size or something. For me, as I've done this a few times, my palate does not notice the difference between coffee I have ground myself and coffee that comes pre-ground. Get yourself a big filter bag, and you can find these at your grocery store or online. Dump the coffee grounds into the bag and tie it shut. Then it's as simple as getting some water and pouring about a half gallon of water in on 1 bag of coffee grounds. I'm using distilled water so that any of the flavorings of my local pipes do not affect the flavor of the cold brew. And put the lid on it and wait for a day. After anywhere from 12 to 24 hours, I've been doing mine to 24 hours and liking it, but 12 to 24 hours is what I read. Pull your filter bag out and maybe give it a little help if you want to speed things up by squeezing the bag and squeezing out all that extra water that's still all up in the bean grounds. Get yourself a cool container and a funnel if you need one, and then you just pour the coffee into the container. And when you're ready to enjoy a glass, just mix equal parts of the cold brew coffee concentrate you just made and water or whatever milk you prefer in your coffee, and enjoy.